Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Does MiraLAX work for impacted stool? The volume and rate of oral lavage are dependent on the patient's size. To treat childhood fecal impaction, Yusuf and coworkers recommend 1 to 1.5 grams per kilogram per day of polyethylene glycol solution, PEG 3350, MiraLAX. How do I know if my bowel is impacted? What are the symptoms of fecal impaction? Liquid stool leaking from the rectum. Pain or discomfort in the abdomen. Abdominal bloating. Nausea or vomiting. Feeling the need to push. A headache. Unintentional weight loss. A feeling of fullness and not wanting to eat. How do you get stuck poop out? For constipation, you can also take a laxative or stool softener. Poop stuck halfway out isn't usually a medical emergency, but it may be an emergency in the case of a severe fecal impaction. Start with home remedies like moving around, drinking water, taking OTC suppositories or enemas, increasing your fiber. How do you soften an impacted stool quickly? Other possible treatments for fecal impaction include laxatives. A doctor may recommend oral laxatives. Anal suppositories. Following insertion into the rectum, these will draw water into the area to soften the mass of stool. Water irrigation.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.